Hello guys, so sad because we are in a new video because we are going to learn how to solve the error code. This is the power 268 has been expelled due to a unexpected customer behavior, or also known as you have been ticket to an unexpected client visible, an error with the PS of 100 and city gate. In this case I put it here in 1100:27,899-00:0031,649 the description in the error codes end. I have put two videos is the report that I write in a lot. To me the one that I has served above all has been the 1500:0036,090-00:0039,780 Spanish, which is much simpler. But the English one is also quite okay, so let's see how it goes. Solution 2. Basically what you will have to do is 20:00:00:47,768-00:00:53,759 download an app. 21:00:00:49,859-00:00:59, what specifically is this? HTTPS 111 that I am going to put it to you. I will put in the description here perfect, and you will have to download it. You will have to give your system operating, in this case Windows. And when you download Cloud Fart Guard, you will have to give it to execute to install the program. Then you will have to hit next. But hey, I'm going to show you how first. The error code that the boy what he has done has been to show the 3400:0138,349-00:01:43,769 example of error code. Basically when you start the server, well, it doesn't work, it comes out. The error code is joining server ISA. The error code then knows the error code of both ways. The error code then what we will have to do is give it to install. Next install 4500:02:18,990-00:02:22,100, give it to accept. Will be installing. And finish giving finish. Then you have the bar left. Tasks, click here on the word where 50:00:02:38,199-00:02:43,009 is. There we will give you the following. Accept, we will give the bar. Is offline, we will have to give connect. And it's already solved. Then it would work. So if you read Roblox you will give start, and in this case the Balearic Islands to allow, and finally it will work for you. This has been the video that has served me. What can someone else teach you? It is quite good that it also works for you. To other people and you play and everything. Perfect, the truth is yes. That is the solution then in this case. This is one of the solutions, but if not, it works too. What you can try is this solution. In this case you would have to do next. Given blogs, the right click, and I opened file location properties. Open the location of the file. Can do in many ways. Then when you put it, you will have to do the following. Right click, properties, compatibility, and run the Windows program. 7 in this case. Run the program in administrator. Run this program in administrator. And hope that it has not come out completely, that it has come out that you have not seen it. Okay, when you give it the administrator and you give OK in this. If you right click again, Traverso compatibility to fix compatibility issues and problem programs are being detected. Try the recommended settings and test the program. And that's it, and it will be Installing the roadblocks again with compatibility issues and setup blogs has been installed again. After that already, it will be able to work. Well, that's all guys, I hope it has liked the tutorial and see you